Welcome to nature, a peaceful sanctuary where the busy world cannot rush you. Step into this green paradise and leave the heavy burdens of the city behind. You are a unique and beautiful creation, a true lion achieving your purpose. The power inside you is immense, designed to conquer every storm in your path. You have already arrived. No one is ahead of you in this cosmic journey. Stop comparing your life to others, because your only true competition is yourself. Forget the loud TikTok trends and the endless digital noise of modern society. Listen closely to the quiet earth and the pure, untamed song of the birds. Take a deep breath right now and feel the fresh air healing your beautiful soul. Release the hidden stress and allow your mind to completely forget your daily anxiety. In 24 hours of a busy day, you deserve these unique minutes for yourself. This is your sacred moment to pause, to recover your strength, and to just exist. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Take a second to like and subscribe to protect your inner
Join
peace
our mindful
every single
community
day and make your mental clarity a lifelong priority. Carry this golden stillness with you as you step back into the chaotic world. Guard your heart, cherish your quiet joy, and always remember to walk gently. Remember that the wildest storms of life only come to clear your path, not to destroy you. You possess a silent resilience, deeply rooted like the ancient trees in this forest. Let go of the need to fix everything tonight. Some things are beautifully sorted by time. Your existence is not a race. It is a magnificent masterpiece unfolding second by second. True wealth is not measured by material chase, but by the stillness inside your mind. Disconnect from the pixelated screens and reconnect with the heartbeat of the earth. You are the king of your own mindset. Never give away your power to the chaotic crowd. As the sun sets on your worries, trust that tomorrow is a gift of a fresh, beautiful start.